gonna dive deep into passages, okay? So when you look at a passage in the SAT English section, it will be something like they'll give you a big paragraph and you gotta choose an option which relates the best to the context in the passage. That's to understand the if you can understand much of English or not. Okay, so let's just dive right in. So if they give you the passage, identify the claim. That is, identify the purpose and question yourself, why is this information included? Okay, you have this why this information is included first of all, right? So you gotta look at this. So now this is a very common advice, but this is very useful. Okay, why is this information included? You dig deep into each and every pass, like each and every sentence and word and letter and something else inside. Okay. So after that, look at the options. Just keep it simple. Very simple. Look at the options. Okay. Now after looking at the options, discard all irrelevant options. Okay. So you gotta discard all the irrelevant options. So what else you gotta? Okay. After discarding the irrelevant option, oh, okay. What is this? Okay, no, I don't want this highlighter, I guess. Okay, fine. Let's not waste time on this. Let's just go here and click this one. I already know this. Okay, so now one or two options will be left. Oh, okay. Uh, one or two options will be left. Okay. Now, if it's one option, okay, you can gladly choose it. If it's two options, you gotta dive more deep. Okay. In the if two options, okay, at least one option would be a weak summary than the other. I guess you can understand this pretty well. So here the point is be as strict as can. Be as strict as you can. A strong option would be something like would be something that gives the whole idea passage. Okay, so I think this is pretty well now. I don't think this is a tough topic. You know, in grammar, it's a pretty tough topic. Okay, by the way, in my group, the system is being wrong, guys. It gave me a 3096 out of 1600. After that, as I digged into the error, uh, like even mathematically correct answers were marked wrong by the system. So the system was completely wrong. So as I evaluated it, I got 1500. Okay, it gave 104 marks wrong. So I got 1500, and 800 is in math and 700 is in English. Math is easy. Okay, even passage questions are really easy. In passage, most of the students will score centum. For me, grammar is a little tough. Vocabulary is a little tough. So that's my personal. Okay. So I'm trying to improve in it. If I can improve in grammar and vocabulary, maybe I can improve my score by like 50 to 60 points and become 1550 to 1560 probably. Math is easy, I think. I mean, so okay. Well, let's just end up the session now. That's it for today, guys. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.